مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.
Hello students and welcome to our lesson today. This is Mr. Muhammad Abdel Fattah and today we are dealing with a new lesson from Unit 2, A Thirst for Knowledge, which is a grammar lesson that is students' book on page 30. Today we have got certain objectives to achieve. So by the end of this video, you are most kindly expected to be able to master using a wide range of expressions, I mean verbs, adjectives, with different prepositions. So how to select the correct preposition for the relevant verb or adjective. Also, we are going to recognize the different suffixes used to form nouns. The third objective is to practice using different suffixes to form nouns and use them to fill in a table. Now, please let's start our lesson with watching this nice video. I hope you will like it. Then we can start our discussion. I hope you have enjoyed watching that video. Now let's start dealing with exercise A on page 30. It reads like this. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the words or phrases in the box. Notice the preposition in bold. Then check your answer using a dictionary. Gentlemen, we have got this set of verbs and adjectives. Good, benefit, cheat, work, cooperate, absent, revise, capable, concentrate, pay attention. Of course, pay attention is a phrase, absent and capable are adjectives, and the remaining words are verbs. Now, as usual, gentlemen, it is suggested that you stop this video for 2 or 3 minutes so that you can give yourselves a chance to think about the relevant words for the spaces in the sentences from 1 to 10. Now let's start discussing our answers. Number 1, you have to with each other in order to complete the assignment. If you are doing a task with other people, of course you are asked to, good answer, to cooperate. You have to cooperate with each other in order to complete the assignment. Thank you. Number 2, Patricia is on an idea for a new novel. That's right. Patricia is working. She's thinking about, she's developing, working on an idea for a new novel. Number 3, John is in trouble because he tried in the math test and the teacher caught him. What wrong thing did John do? He tried to cheat in the math test. This is a good answer. Number 4, can you turn down the TV? It's hard for me to on this report with so much noise. Of course, it's hard for me to concentrate on, to focus on this report with so much noise. Number 5, if you don't do the teacher, you won't know how to do the project correctly. That's excellent. If you don't pay attention to the teacher, Number 6, we went to the library for our final exams. So before taking your final exams, what do you have to do? Amazing. To revise. We went to the library to revise for our final exams. Number 7, Lisa has always been very at painting, which is why she decided to study art. If she decided to study art, this means that she was very good at painting. Excellent elicitation. This is a very good thinking. Number 8, Carl is of memorizing large amounts of information without much effort. So Carl is capable of memorizing large amounts of information without much effort. This is an amazing answer. Thank you very much. I'm really grateful to your response, to your participation. Number 9, Jenny was from school today because she's ill. If she is ill, it's natural that she was absent from school. Thank you. Number 10 and final sentence for this exercise. Mrs. Cooper is a very good professor, and you will greatly from her lectures. Please pay attention to the preposition from. So, if Mrs. Cooper is a good professor, so you are going to benefit greatly from her lectures. That's an amazing participation and good response. Please let us move to our following task. Now with exercise B, gentlemen, we are going to deal with a new objective, that is how to form nouns with suffixes. Now suffixes are letters which go at the end of a verb or an adjective, but here we are trying to focus on verbs which change the word into a noun. As you can see from the table, we have got these 4 suffixes: ion, ation, ment, ance. We have got this word present. How can we form it? Yes, presentation. Next we have got assist. Can you work it out? Right, assistance. Now interact. Yes, very good. Interaction. Appear. What do you think of appear? Amazing. Appearance. Involve. Very good. Involvement. What about combine? Nice. It is the same as presentation, so this is combination. What about punish? Exactly. It is similar to involve, so it is punishment, the same as involvement. What about participate? Amazing. This is participation. Now please pay attention to the letters which were colored red and how we form these nouns using these different suffixes. I hope you find it suitable. I hope you find it useful. Now let's go ahead to deal with our following exercise, in which we are going to change verbs into nouns and use them to fill in gapped sentences. Let's go to our task. Again, gentlemen, this is exercise C on page 30. Now, as I have explained before, first read the tip, then complete the sentences 1 to 7 using the correct form of the words in capitals. First, let's read the tip. In a word building exercise, when you have to fill in a gap with a noun, read the sentence carefully and decide if the noun should be in the singular or plural form. Sometimes the noun can be singular, like attendant, okay, or attendants. So you have to decide whether it is singular, just one person, just one thing, or plural, more than one. Sentence 1, you have got this verb which is written in bold letters, bold capital letters, attend, is required in order to get a certificate from the seminar. So you cannot take this seminar online, but yes, that's right, attendance. Attendance is required in order to get a certificate from the seminar. Number 2, one of his many is writing a book about his experiences as a teacher in a foreign country. Yes, it's easy to work it out. Accomplishments. One of his many accomplishments is writing a book about his experiences as a teacher in a foreign country. Number 3, I don't understand the. They are in French with the verb instruct. So I can't understand, or I don't understand the instructions. They are in French. Wonderful answer. Let's go ahead. Number 4, it's highly important to teach young students and teamwork. We are going to teach them cooperation. Wonderful answer. Number 5, you need to have some form of with you. So take your passport. So you need to identify yourself. You need some form of identification. Well, that's a brilliant answer. Number 6, tests aren't always the best basis for the. Yes, this is the right suggestion. Assessment. So tests aren't always the best basis for the assessment of students. Our final sentence goes like this. Everyone was proud of the athletes' achieve. Right? That's a very good concluding answer. Everyone was proud of the athlete's achievement. Gentlemen, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson as I have really done. Okay? And I hope you benefit from it greatly. Looking forward to see you in our following lessons. Thank you very much for your good interaction, participation, and response. Goodbye.
مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.